Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting unboxing. If you follow the channel, you know that recently I did a State of the Stash video. I asked you all a question about what kits you guys would like to see me work on next. One of my goals this year is to decrease the amount of kits in my stash, so as I'm working on that, I'm trying to figure out which kits I wanted to work on and what I wanted to do. This one was one of the most popular ones, and it's not very big. It's not small, but it's not very big, and it's super cute. So I decided this was one that I was going to open first. So let me unbox everything, and I'll be right back. So this is a kit from Bella Art Diamonds. You can see we've got our diamonds here. This is a square, and it looks like we've got some ABs. We've got our stickers. We'll look at those in a minute. And then we've got, I think they call it their essentials tray or something, just a very simple 3D printed tray. And then our toolkit. So in the toolkit, we get wax, we get a scrunchie, we get some very pokey tweezers, we get our diamond painting pen with a 10 placer, 9 or 10 placer attached, and then we also have a 3 and a 7 placer for multi-placing, and then we get some XOXO washi tape. So decent little toolkit. So what kit am I working on? This is Bubble Girl from Bella Art Diamonds, like I said. So this is the cute little mermaid with all the bubbles everywhere, and she's got her cute little octopus friend. This one is super cute. I've actually done another kit by this artist. I love how it turns out. So this one is not huge, 55 by 55, so not terribly big square, as I said. We've got 49 colors, and it looks like we get 7 ABs here. So these 4 and then these 3. Nice clear symbols. I don't have any problem with Bella Art stuff. I've done lots of kits of theirs, and always really good quality pre-cut stickers so I can put them on my bottles. I'll probably cut off the serial numbers because I think they're a little bit too big with the serial numbers on there. So I'll just keep the symbols and the DMC codes. Super cute. So let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. Hopefully you can see everything here. Maybe a little bit of glare off the window. I apologize for that. But so here's the canvas. So we've got a schematic on both sides. This one is upside down. So if you're someone like me who rotates your canvas, that's always nice. And it's just looks like there'll be a nice mix of multi-placing and confetti. So multi-placing up here at the top with all of the blue, the water and everything, but then lots of multi-placing here in her hair, her eyes. Yeah, this one looks like it'll be a fun one, and hopefully it won't take too long to work up. As always, I will take some B-roll so you guys can see the whole canvas. So this one says 55 by 55, so let's measure. It is a couple of millimeters under 55 this way, and about the same going this way. So the glue will be nice and sticky. Like I said, I've done lots of Bella Art. I have no issues with theirs. There's a nice thick cover sheet. I will be replacing that though, likely with my release papers, just because the crinkly paper drives me batty some days. So let's look at the drills. All right, so let's just grab bags and start looking here. There's a dark green, there's a red, a coral, and then we've got 2 different shades of peach here, a lighter peach and a darker peach. We've got some bubblegum pink. We've got a green, a bright orange, kind of a pale yellow, a mint green, another kind of darker peach than what we saw before, a dark blue, a very bright pink. We've got like a mulberry red, a dark purple, a pinkish red, a couple of shades of green here. We've got a lighter green and then a darker green, and like a mulberry color, a dark red, a very dark gray, kind of a dark pink. And then we've got kind of a grayish blue, a pale yellow, black. That's all the black that's in this kit. We've got a light gray, kind of a periwinkle, kind of a lime yellow. Those are the ABs. I'm going to set those aside. So we've got 2 bags of this blue color, which will be the background, I'm assuming, and then another kind of darker turquoise, also for the background. Oh, there's 2 bags of that color too. Then we've got a very pale yellow, a blue. We've got another pale green, kind of a dark pink, another bright pink, a baby pink, a light blue. We've got like a salmon color, a very pale mauve, a light blue, another like mint green, a light turquoise, and then the last regular color is this darker green. So those are all the regular colors. Then for ABs, we have white ABs, which are going to go around all of the bubbles and some highlights in her hair. We've got a green AB, which is going to go in her top, because that's really the only green in the kit. We've got like a very pale pink AB, and I'm gonna guess that's going in her hair. We've got two different shades of yellow. This one is more yellow, this one is more orange for ABs, and those are in the octopus. We've got a pink AB. This one is in her hair as well. And then we've got two bags of this last AB, which I'm going to guess is also in her hair. So lots of ABs everywhere. With 49 colors, I might still be able to add in some additional ones, but 7 seems like a lot, so I may just leave it at that. So lots of different colors, and she's super cute. Like I said, I've done at least one other piece by the same artist, so I can't wait to get started on this one. Hopefully you guys are excited to see this one as well. You'll probably see me kitting it up pretty soon. So thank you to everybody who left comments. This, like I said, it's not super small at 55 by 55, but it's not as large as some of the other ones I was working on last year. So hopefully this will work up pretty quickly. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.